Guys been asking for another video of the girl burping in the comments down below. I will surely do that for you. Yes, it's for the comment reviews. I just want to be really famous because I'm just a little girl and I want to be famous for some reason. I can sing so beautifully. At least I think I don't really know now. Yes. Hey guys, how are you doing? So, I'm going to show you how many times I've been burping. Yeah. So, number 1. What's up guys, how you doing? I'm done with the video. My stomach hurts so much.